So this is version 3.0 of the high output humidifier that I've designed. I have one of these at home. I've designed 4 of them for the company I work for. Movable outlets, you can position them wherever you want. This is a 280 CFM inline ducted fan, not fixed. That way you can replace it if it fails, and it makes it easy for servicing the unit. Here's the ultrasonic power pack driver, and this is a cord for a UV light that's inside to make sure that nothing grows in the water reservoir and kills you. A baffle to prevent large droplets from being pushed out the discharge. There's a little piece on the bottom that kicks down any large droplets with the airflow. Continuous feed from a 1/4-inch line. I use reverse osmosis without remineralization because you don't want minerals building up on your ultrasonic head discs and reducing its effectiveness. That is a 20-watt germicidal UV light, again to make sure nothing grows in your reservoir causing health issues and concerns. They work very well. They're great for humidifying large areas and very reliable. All the ones that I've built have been running for several years without problems. You gotta clean the ultrasonic discs every now and then. Not a big chore, pretty simple, and make sure your UV light is working as it should be. Usually we change them out once a year, so that way we can make sure the proper wavelength is there and it's killing anything that could try to grow inside the water reservoir. Like what I'm doing? Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day.